guys, hope you are doing well. In this video, we are trying to do data analysis, that's MS Excel, paper 2022, February, March, and this paper is 3-1. Let's go to the task. Task 4, spreadsheet. You are going to create a spreadsheet to display data about lakes of the Great Rift Valley in Africa. Some of these lakes can be found in your in more than one country. Here they are giving us some information. 14. Open the file M22 lake in a spreadsheet package. So we are using MS Excel. Let's go to our folder and open this file. Here is the one. These are all the files of paper 3-1. Here is the one, lake.csv. How to open? Just select, right click, open with Excel. Okay, so here is the file opened for me. Save this file as a spreadsheet with the file name. Then we will add first country followed by your center number, candidate number. Okay, so we have to continue with our details, but we have to take country in the beginning file. Save as. Go to your folder. This is the folder we created when we were doing this web authoring. So here totally we have to change the name of it to country underscore center number they want first underscore candidate number, and we have to save it as Excel workbook. Here make sure you're saving in this only in the same folder. Next, 15. Delete row 1. Row it is. Okay, here you see these are all the rows, we call them horizontally across. These are called rows, and these are columns or fields, we call them columns or fields. Now we have to delete the first row where it got the field names. We have to delete it. Select like this, right click and delete. Save it once. 16. Delete columns A, B, D, E, F and G. So we have to miss out C here. I guess rest all there. Only missing C. We will select, hold down the control key. Okay, after selecting one column, just hold down the control key. Now B, D, E, F and G, all of them leaving C here. Come to this home, home tab, and delete here, delete sheet columns. Okay, so we have only one. This is left. Remove all duplicate data from your spreadsheet. There is a lot of duplicate data. Can you see it's repeated many times? This all we have to delete. Select the column, go to data, remove duplicates from column A. Can you see there? Only 10 or left values. 18. Place on the left in the header the text created by, then a space, then your name, center number, and candidate number. So basically we are giving our details in the header. So what we have to take, created by, copy this, and left, see, it has to be on the left. Your left is its left, page left, okay, in the header. Okay, so let me just go here. I have to go here, insert, header footer. Yeah, so this is the header, left side, paste that, created by, a space, name, center number, and candidate number. Okay, a space, name, center number, candidate number. Okay, save. Place on the right in the header the automated file name without the file path. So here on the right, automated file name without the path. Okay, so come here, this is the right, come to this design, and here you see file path is not there, no path, just file name. You can delete the path. See, this is the file name. Can you see on the top? This is the file name. Okay, next. 19. Sort your spreadsheet into ascending order. Set your spreadsheet to display grid lines and row and column headings when printed. Now let's sort it like in ascending order. With that, we have to just select all of it, and here we have sort and filter under home tab. Just open, this is A to Z is ascending. Now you see the change in this B to Z there. Save one more time. Now, so we have to go for the printing from this line onwards. We have to show the grid lines for rows and columns, and even the column headings. Save your spreadsheet. Take a screenshot to show and the print preview of your spreadsheet. Okay, and the header is fully visible. Okay, that will check. First we'll go for prepare it for printing. With that, just look at this, file, print. You see here there are no lines. Those are called grid lines. Okay, so to get the grid lines, we have to just open page setup, sheet. Here you see grid lines. Okay, yes, and what else we need? We have to take a screenshot of this one itself. Okay, so when I open here, I can take a screenshot of this. I don't need this one, I'll go for this view. Yeah, I will take a screenshot of it. The header is fully visible, grid lines are displayed, row and column headings are displayed, all data fits within the column width and is fully visible. Place your screenshot in the evidence folder. Okay, so since we have only single column in that, so we got like this. These all the grid lines we call them. Now let's take the screenshot from here. We can take the whole thing as well. Okay, so copy, and we have to open our evidence. Yes, we have checked all of it. Everything is clear since we have very less data on that, so these all don't matter much. And we have to go for evidence 5. We have to place it under. Do we have any evidence? Yeah, we have to continue from here, from ourselves. This is created by us, right? This is actually the old one. Evidence 5. Yeah, this is the one. Yeah, save it. Let's get back. 20, open and examine the files. One is a grid, other one is lake. Lake is already open for us. We have to open grid now. These files will be used but must not be edited. Just we have to open and examine them, but we should not make any changes to that. Create and format a new spreadsheet, and it has to look like this. We will create a new spreadsheet. Okay, new spreadsheet we have to open, and we'll work with that to just design that like this exactly, the columns and the rows from 2 to 10 exactly. So let me open this. What's that? Grid. This is a grid. Can you see? Yeah, so right click, you'll open with Excel. Okay, so when you open it, it will look just like this. This is grid. So we will keep it aside, but we will take a new fresh document. Can you see here? I opened the new one. This, see, book 1. It's a new one, and I have to design this exactly like this. Lake finder by country, and that to be from B to G. It has to merge all these cells. Okay, let's go for it. In number 1 row, the third one from second, what is the name? Is lake finder by country. Okay, now this one goes from here to here, G, merge and center. Okay, we'll format it later further. Then leaving the second row, third country, Ethiopia in C. Okay, the third one, country, okay, till G it has to merge. Oh, it has to be here, and from here to here we have to merge, but we have to put it to here towards the left. Okay, more. Leaving 4, 5 we have to come down. 5th row, code name area. This all. I'll just try to copy this and paste there. Which one? Number 5, right? Number 5 under country. Yeah. Actually, I got all of them in the single from here to here, right? Sorry. Now, code, this is code, and the second one is the name. Okay. And the third one is area. From here I'll copy, cut, and where I have to place under D. Okay, next elevation, something in meters, that has to go in E. And the last one, depth, cut, and that goes to F. So yep, this is F here. And there is another one as well, water, and that's in G. Okay, so just move it aside. Here there's closing bracket needed. Just widen these columns so that we can see the whole data. Now what else? Here from 2 to 10 numbers we have, from which 6th onwards. Here 2, and here it's 3. Just select both of them and just see what are the numbers till 10. Yeah, we have to even give the grid lines, and we have to make the heading bigger, black background, even for the country, black background. Okay, so here it's up to us. I will increase. Okay, then I'd like to give a different font. It's okay, and black background here. And then it will become white. We have to take it as white. Yeah, exactly. Country as well. So can we give a bigger font for all of this? I'd like to give a bigger font and a different. Okay, something which looks better. Yeah. Done. And this has to be white in color and black background as well. Crystal done. We can just move it closer. Just we can make it narrow of this column since we don't need it. And yeah, all done. Just we'll give the grid lines for all of it from here to here. Let's give grid lines this much. Here you see all borders. Yeah, make sure cells B1 to G1 and C3 to G3 are merged. We did merging, right? This one, they mean to say this one and this one. Save this. Save this spreadsheet with the name uh, finder followed by your center number and candidate number with underscore. Okay, so let me just take this finder, copy, come here because it's a new one, right? So file, save as, and just go to the same folder where you're working, and here is paste center number underscore candidate number. It's Excel workbook. Done. Okay, this is done now fully. 21 onwards we have to insert a formulae in those cells, so it will go longer.